Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this Beyblade. And it's called Turbo Spryzen. And it's included with a launcher. Now I'm going to be telling you all the facts. And before I start telling you, I'm going to tell you. This piece right here is called the top of the Beyblade. This is the metal part and this is the tip. So let's go about the facts. On the top thing, it says that it can spin right spin or left spin. And the tip, it can switch modes. So now I'm going to be unboxing it. So I'm going to be showing you the pieces. This is one of the launcher parts, and this is one of the other launcher parts. So I'm going to be showing you what you do with right spin. With right spin, you see in this hole, you see right over here, you put that right in this hole and you do it. But ours is left spin, so you have to do it in the left side, like that. And then I'm going to be showing, this is just like a Beyblade manual, like how you use it and stuff. And I'm going to be showing you the pieces. So this is the top, and this is the metal part thingy, and this is the tip. So I'm going to be showing you how to launch it. So 1 second, I need to get my Beyblade Stadium. So this is my Beyblade Stadium. So first I'm going to be showing you how to launch it. So you see this black thing here where we attached it. You hold your hands over here and then you pull this thing, and I'm also going to be testing it out how it will spin. Whoa, that's cool, right? That's cool. That spins really good. So yeah, so that's it for today. Bye.